Hello everyone, welcome back into the Salesforce training class. So in today class we are going to discuss about the relationship in Salesforce. So as we know, we all are familiar with the relationship in DBMS. Like any association between two entity types is called a relationship. In the same way, we can say like association between the two objects in the Salesforce is called the object relationship. Like we all know that entities take part in the relationship in the same way in the Salesforce the objects take parts in the relationship. Means two object when we want to when we want to connect the two objects, in that case we use the relationship. So in the Salesforce, we can create the relationship between two object or more than two object. And here we can create the relationship like master data relationship, lookup relationship, and many to many relationship. So basically in this video we will discuss about the master data relationship and lookup relationship. And if you're talking about the many to many relationship, this is also kind of relationship where more than two objects connect to each other, in which two objects are connected with the with same object and third object is called the junction objects. So we will talk about the junction object in another video, and here we are going to discuss about the master data relationship and lookup relationship. So so before we discuss the master data relationship. Uh let's more understand about the relationship object relationship. So object relationships are a special field type that connect two objects together. We relationship is also a field type from where we can create a relationship. So we have lookup type field, master detail type field, external type field, and from there in the field and relationship, and from there we can create the relationship. So why we need to create the relationship? So just suppose we want to access the record, we want to access the record of another object in any another object into the any another object. In that condition, we have to create the relationship. And just suppose so we can associate one object to another objects. Just suppose sometimes we have need to create any record with the parents record. In that case, we have need to create we have need to create a relationship between that two objects, and where one object is act like a parent object and another object is act like a child object. So whenever we have to show the connection between two objects, in that case we have to create the relationship into the Salesforce. So here we can create the master data relationship, lookup relationship. So first of all, let's talk about the master detail relationship. Like what is the master detail relationship? So if we are talking about the master detail relationship, so master detail relationship is a strongly coupled relationship. Means if the parent is deleted, so the child will also be deleted. Just suppose we have created, we have two objects like A and B, where A is a parent object and B is the child object. And if we have we if we delete any record from the A objects, and that record is a parent of the A in any record on the B object, and when I'm deleting the record from the A object, the record on the B object also will be get deleted. So this is the master data relationship. And we can also create the roll up summary on the master data relationship, but we cannot create the roll up on lookup. So if we are talking about the master details relationship, it's a strongly coupled relationship. And uh, if I want if we, you if you want to create a record on the basis of parent record, in that case you have to create the master data relationship. So in detail relationship, we can control the display of detailed record based on the value in the master record, and also if any sharing setting apply on the parent record, the same sharing setting will be apply uh, on the child record too. So in the master detail relationship, child records inherit the sharing setting of the parent record. So this is all about the master detail relationship. Now let's talk about the lookup relationship. So if we are talking about the lookup relationship, then lookup relationship is a loosely coupled relationship between the Salesforce object, and which means like if a parent record gets deleted, then child records remain in the system. The child record will not get deleted, and in lookup relationship there is no required like whenever I'm creating any record on the child object, so there is no need to relate that record to any record on the parent object. We can create a record on the child object without the parent object. So this is the lookup relationship where we don't have need to create where we don't have need to create the child record on the child object with the parents. We can create the record on child object without the parent object. So this and we cannot create any roll up on the lookup relationship. And as I told you, if we delete the parent object record, so still the child record will be remain in the system. So now let's go and see how we can create the master detail relationship and lookup relationship. So as usual, if we want to create any type of relationship, where we have to go, just on which object we want to create the relationship, we have to go to that object, and from the field and relationship sections, we can create the relationship. So let's go and create a relationship. So here we are on our home page, and if we want to create any relationship, just suppose I want to create a relationship between the account and between any custom object. So let's go and create a master detail relationship. For creating the relationship, where we have go to the setup and then object manager, and we have to choose our object. So I'm gonna select okay, we have a student object which is a custom object. So I want to relate this object with the uh, school. Okay, so I want to create a master detail relationship student. I want to create a master detail relationship between the student object and the school object. So here you can see the field and relationship sections. Here we have to click, and after the clicking we can see the some buttons like new delete fields, field dependency, and set history tracking. So here we have go to the new, and here you can see the options like lookup relationship, master detail relationship. You can see here roll-up summary is not activated because there is no master detail relationship on the student object. When we create a master detail relationship on the student object, then the roll-up summary will be activated. So let's create a master detail relationship here. So for creating the master detail relationship, we have to select uh, master detail relationship, and we have to click on the next. And here it's asking about related to, means from which object we want to relate this object. So I want to relate with the school, so I'm searching for the school, and here is the object. I'm just selected the school and click on the next. And here it's giving the name like school. If you want to change the name, you can change, otherwise just leave it as this. And here you can see the child relationship name. It's the child object is student and the parent object is school. And now click on next. So here we can just save this, Okay, so our master detail relationship has been created. Now let's go and try to create a record on the student object. So I'm just searching for the student. Here you can see. Now I'm opening the student object. Okay, I'm in the student object, and from here we can create a new record. So for creating record, here you can see uh school, the field, we created a uh, relationship over here, and the field type is master detail. So you can see this field is required field. We cannot save this record without this without putting any value in this field. So what we have to do, we have to create a record of new school so that we can create a record on the student object. The main thing what I want to say, we cannot create a child we cannot create a record without the parent record. So for now I have to create a parent record, then I can create this child record. So let's wait. And here I have created for the school. And save. So here we give the name in this field. Now if I am trying to save this record, it will be saved, otherwise it will not allow us to save this record. So hit the save button. Okay, so this is the way how we can create the master detail relationship. And if we once create the master detail relationship on any object, we cannot we cannot create any record without the master, without the parent object, without if we don't give any parent name, any parent record on the child record, we cannot create the record. Now let's move on for the lookup relationship, how we can create the lookup relationship. So for creating the lookup relationship, we have to do the same thing. For go to the setup again, then object manager. Okay, now I want to create the lookup between the student object and contact object. So let's go again, search for the student here, and in relation field and relationship section, here again we have to click on the new button. And after clicking the new button, we have options like lookup relationship. So select the lookup and next. So again it's asking about the related to. So from which object we want to relate this student object. So I want to create relationship between student and contact. So here we have to choose contact and next. Again just give the name, just leave the name as it is. And here you can check the child object name. This is the student. Click on the next. So just saving this. Now our lookup relationship also created. So you can check here, lookup with contact, master with school. So now let's check on a student object, try to create a record again. Oh, sorry, I'll go to this. And now first of all, just check it here. When I created a master detail relationship, it's showing with red star, it means it's required field. And when I've created the lookup, it's not showing that it's a required field. Means we can create this child record without any lookup, without any parent. So this is the main difference when we create the master detail relationship and when we create the lookup relationship. When we create the master detail relationship, we cannot create this record without any parent. But when we create the a lookup relationship between two objects, we can create the record without any parent. So we can choose the parent, otherwise we cannot choose the parents if there is no need. So for now I'm just giving again my second record and choose the name this again. And here I'm gonna save this record without any parents. This is for the lookup field. See, we can easily save this record without any parent. If we want, we can give the give the parents name. Otherwise there is no need to give the parents name. We can save the record. And that's it. Now Raj is the parent of this record and save this. So okay, this is all about the master detail relationship uh, and lookup relationship. And remember the things like when we create a master detail relationship, we cannot create the record without we cannot create child record without the parent record, and child record inherit the sharing setting of the parent record. But in lookup relationship we can create the record without the parent, and there is they not they do not share the they do not inherit the property of their parents record. And we can create the roll up on the master detail relationship, but we cannot create the roll up on the lookup relationship. And if we are talking about the total relationship in the Salesforce, we can create total 40 relationship in the Salesforce, and we can create only two master detail on any object. So here is the limitation, like we can create only two master detail relationship per object. We will meet in another video. Bye, take care, bye.